Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be creating this look. Moisturizer I'm using Winter Defense Moisturizing Cream. I have a very dry skin, so this moisturizer works perfectly on my skin. I'm using Lakme 925 CC Cream as foundation and the shade Beach. Next, I'm using Mars HD Bye Bye Under Eye Waterproof Concealer. Compact I'm using Maybelline New York. I am applying wherever I concealed on my face. Using a clean brush for cleaning out the excess. For eyeshadow, I'm using Nudie Peachy shade. And I'm not applying all over my eyelids, just on the crease, making a wing shape. I'm using this shade, applying near my eyebrows, just to define the shape of my eyebrows. Taking the same concealer and concealing all over my eyelids. Using my finger to blend it properly. Now using this shimmery shade and applying on my eyelids where I concealed. For eyeliner, I'm using Precision Liquid Eyeliner. Next, I'm using eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. For mascara, I'm using Blue Heaven Innocence Mascara. Now, I'm taking this shade, applying my lower lash line. For eyebrows, I'm taking the black shade from the same palette, because I have a dark thick eyebrows. If you have a light eyebrows, then use brown shade. For blush, I'm using my orange lipstick, blending with my sponge. For backing my blush, I'm using orange shade from the same palette. For contouring my nose, I'm using the same shade that I used on my crease. Using this shade from the palette for highlighting my face, high points of my face, eyebrow bone, over my nose, cheekbones, to set my makeup, I'm using Mer's Makeup Fix Spray. Not directly sprayed on my face, I'm using with a sponge. Lipstick, I'm using Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream and shade Dark Red, making it a glam with some jewelries.
And this is the final look. And also let me tell you that this is our Karbi traditional attire. This is called peacock and this is called blouse. And to match this attire, I put this earrings, so brooch pin. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm keeping my hair in a simple way. So hope you like this video. And also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel because it's free. And also please don't forget to press the bell icon. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.